This is the entire booklet that summarizes what are the top 10 cybersecurity threats that's upcoming or foreseeable in 2030 and give an assessment of the risk impact for each challenge. And it's actually about 20 pages worth. I don't really want to read all 20 pages, so I'm going to show you a nifty trick on how to get the top 3 takeaways. And you do not need to use a paid version of any chatbot. Okay, let's see how I do it. I already have this PDF saved in my Google Drive. I'm signed to my own personal Gmail account. If you notice, I did not go for the advanced. I'm just using the free version of Gemini. So if I put an @ sign, I can go to my Google Drive, and this is the instruction I want it to do. Look for the PDF. There's 20304 site booklet. Give me the top 3 takeaways. So you see, Gemini, formerly known as Bard, is accessing my Google Workspace now because I've already granted access. And now, here you go. Right? You have top 3 takeaways from the PDF. So if you don't have a chatbot that summarizes PDF, this is an alternative to go about. Okay, so in order to use Gemini, which was formerly known as Bard, Gemini is the ChatGPT equivalent of Google. So after you sign in, you will see your Google sign in. I'm signed to my own personal Gmail account. I did not go for the advanced. I'm just using the free version of Gemini. First thing I want you to do is go to extension. You'll be prompted to activate your Gemini activities. So it means that Gemini app will be able to save activities, and I've already activated mine, which is why mine says turn off. Once you turn it on, I will keep this 2 extension on, which is my Google Workspace, YouTube. I'll turn off my maps, hotel, and flights. I don't really use them, so I don't want to create too much confusion for me. I just use extension that I need, which is Google Workspace and YouTube. So I just found a random video on YouTube by Chinese Asia about reusable water bottle. So basically what I can do is just copy the link, and I actually done it here. So you can actually add YouTube. There's the instruction, put in the link, and analyze this video and give the top 3 takeaways, and Gemini will analyze it for you. And you could share it to your email, send it to someone who may export it, or you can share it as a public link to someone. So these are some things that you can do. And one more thing that you can do, for instance, as I was sharing on what are LLMs. LLMs are large language models. And if you notice, there's extra icon here. There's this Google icon, which is double check. What it's going to do is it's going to check against the response. So you see now some of the text are highlighted. Basically what it says is, if you click on this button, it says that there are some links to support the results that Gemini is showing to you. Okay, so you can actually expand it if you want to see where the results are from. And if you want to, you can click this arrow down button. It shows you different drafts, different versions of answers. Alternatively, you could also modify. If you want it to be more professional, you can just click, and then this is a more formal reply. You can also change it to something simpler. That's good, right? It's a simple message. AMs are superpowered language learners trained on massive amounts of data. You can also click shorten it. Yep. Okay, so hope you have fun with Gemini. Take care. Bye-bye.